In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a stand-up cardboard animal. You need paper a little bit stiffer than just regular copy paper. And you starting out with the size that's just 8.5 by 11 folded in half is great. I want to make a round belly for my animal, and I want to make sure I'm doing that from the fold down. So I'll show you that in a minute. So I've got kind of a round belly and some legs. Don't forget that my paper is still folded. I'll darken these lines up so that you can see them. So I pick up my paper and you can see the top or the back of my animal. The spine runs right along the fold. So I'll cut out my animal. This is a tricky skill, cutting two pieces of paper at one time. So you want to squeeze with your left hand to keep that paper together. Don't want to cut his leg off. There we go. So if I've done it correctly, he opens up. You're likely to make a mistake the first time through. Just get another piece of paper and try again. So now my animal is kind of taking shape. It stands up. I could still turn it into whatever I wanted to, but notice that fold goes around the top. I've got a scrap of paper I can use for a head. I was noticing that this head looks a little bit like Pete the cat, so I think I'm going to make a cat face to go on top. If your scraps left over from cutting aren't big enough, just get a separate piece of heavier paper. So I'll decorate my head a little bit, put some eyes on it. This would be a great time to color before you put your animal together. And then I need to cut a straight line from his nose down to the bottom of his face. I'm going to call that a slot. And that's how it's going to attach to his body. I'm going to make another slot near the front of the animal. When you're making these slots, always start out small. You can cut them bigger if you need to. Now, I didn't edit my video so that you could see sometimes putting these slots together is a little tricky. But eventually, those two pieces should slide into each other. I can spread this apart a little bit. I'll give you a better view. Here's my cat body. So he's standing up by himself. I am looking for a tail, so I found this scrap. I put a little tape on it. I'm going to tape that to the inside on the back, and he should stand up. This is one of those crafts that looks easy, but is a little challenging in the best possible way. So find yourself a few pieces of paper and play around with it until you can get any kind of animal you want that will stand up on its own.